Friends, I need a new notebook, so let's make one. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I start with Avery shipping labels. They are true block, full sheet, 8.5 by 11 shipping labels. This is what I use. You can get them at Walmart. And I print out my graphics. I have these in my Etsy shop. I made mine in Canva and I love it. I think it's so much fun. And I'm using some composition notebooks. I got it at Walmart. And then I'm using 2 sheets of those labels, just 2 regular ones. Now I trimmed down my graphic just so that there are no white edges. And then I'm going to cut 2 pieces of the shipping labels. I'm going to cut 2 of them. And they're going to be cut 9.5 by 7.5. And I'm going to do a little you can see it here, 9.5 by 7.5. Ta-da! Those are for the insides. All right, so I want to show you the difference between the Avery and the Staples version. This is the Staples version, and look, it's got this nice little strip. This one, it's got like a big X on the back. So it's just, the Avery is a little more challenging to work with. See here, I just have to, all I'm doing is folding down one edge because I want to make sure that I get this edge onto my notebook nice and straight. That's why I like the Staples version, because it has that strip, but that's okay. So I get nice and straight, I adhere it, then I'm taking just a ruler, and just so that we have something that we can smooth out our label with. And you see how it's got strips of it. It's irritating, but it does the job, so we're fine. But I'm just going to smooth out across that cover to get our new graphic on. Ta-da! I have a scraper here that's covered with felt. You could use a brayer, whatever you want. Make sure that's nice and smooth. Then I open up the cover and I just pull in the corners and then I seal them together. And then I'm just going to fold this next part on the edge, just fold it over and then adhere it. And then do the same thing on the top and on the bottom, just fold it in. Ta-da! This is one of my favorite things in the planet. So I'm just telling you, if you don't like it, don't tell me. Don't tell me, because I love this so much. And there's the cover, and stop it right now. Look at how cute. And I did the same thing on the back. I have a back, this particular graphic bundle has a back cover and a front cover, and it also includes the pen wraps, but that's another project. Shh, it's fine. But I did the same thing, just curl the edges in, adhere it to the back, and ta-da! Now you could be done. Some people like that inside cover. I don't. So I have this little corner edger. You don't have to do that part, but it makes my life so much easier. I just do 2 ends and I corner the am I saying that right? Corner the edges? You know what I mean. And again, if you have the Staples version, it's so much easier. I just take a little bit off the top so we can get this adhered and nice and straight. Ta-da. And then I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the cover. I'm going to use my ruler as a guide to help make sure it's nice and smooth. And all I'm doing is pulling up the backer and just pushing my ruler as I go. And oh my Lanta, I smooth it out, make sure there's no bubbles, but look at, it's so like clean and fresh, and I love it. I did that for both the inside and the back, and that's what it looks like. And quit it. Look at how pretty it is. I love it. And I love Psalm 119 because it talks about, God's word being sweeter than honey. Whew, man, and I love bees. It's just win-win, friends. Win-win. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.